I will never forget early this year when my wife and I realized how important iron really is. My wife was experiencing extreme fatigue, dizziness, and bedridden. Turns out her iron levels were almost non-existent, and she wasn't alone. According to WHO, more than 25% of global population struggles with iron deficiency anemia. That's over 2 billion people. Iron is a key part in hemoglobin. Think of hemoglobin as oxygen delivery truck inside your red blood cells that picks up oxygen from your lungs and delivers it all over your body. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, every bit of energy you feel, iron is behind it. It fuels your energy, keeps your mind sharp, and helps your immune system fight off colds like a champ. Without enough iron, your cells can't carry oxygen efficiently. And that's when fatigue, brain fog, and low mood creeps in. The best part about improving your iron intake? You don't need fancy supplements or exotic ingredients. Start small with this Korean beef porridge.